Let's welcome the next demonstration given by Wang Yingting and ACAP. The project code is PY04a-21 and title is Control a Manipulator with Robotics. The demo group, please start your presentation now and remember to turn on your microphone and camera. Share the PowerPoint if you have one. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be showing a demo of my final year project, which the title is Control a Manipulator with Robotics. And nowadays, people with severe physical disabilities may encounter much more challenges when carrying out their daily activities independently. And using solely one type of assistive devices, like a wheelchair or robotic arm, may not provide enough support for them. Therefore, there's a need to develop an all-in-one solution that can not only assist the users to move around, but also to help the users to regain their independence by helping with their upper limb movement. In our project, one of the objectives is to use Kinect to develop control programs using Kinect by using color detection and object detection to help users to pick up and place objects automatically. And today, I will demoing these two control mechanisms. As for the Kinect detection using object detection, we are using the YOLO models for object detection. And this is a real-time detection model and is a very fast and accurate. And we have also trained a custom YOLO model as we will have to help to detect the robot because it is not detectable in the standard model. As our hardware, we will be using As for hardware, we will be using this robot acting as the wheelchair, and a manipulator is mounted on top of it to this will be able to simulate for our development. Let me begin with my demo. Firstly, I have already loaded the program for running the object detection. And you can see on the right-hand side here, on the left-hand side here, it is detecting the object that we are placing in front of the Kinect. And as on the right-hand side here, it is detecting the robot we're using. And this is the one where using the custom YOLO model. And from here, you can see that we're already listed out all the detected items using the detection model. And you can see after we press select the sports ball here, for example, you can see that the sports ball is here. You can see that the robot will be moving towards it, will be turning towards it, and then it will move forward to reach the sports ball here. Then the manipulator will move forward just to grab the item. And then it will then pick it up. And it will move to a new position to place the sports ball in a new position here. After placing the sports ball here, the robot will move back to its original position. And I have tested this control mechanism with 30 test trials. And we are placing various items like this bottle and this sports ball at different locations for its trials. And all of the 30 trials, 25 of them are successful with 83% success rate. Then I will move on to my second demonstration, which is using the Kinect detection with color detection. The setup here is similar, except instead of using this bottle, we'll be using some objects that are already color-coded. where instead of using some object detection model, in this case, we're actually extracting the RGB images that are captured in the Kinect camera. We're using HSV and LAB color spaces to extract the color of the objects as well as the manipulator, as these color spaces are less likely to be affected by the light intensity of the environment, which in real life scenario, we will not be able to control the light intensity there. As you can see in this window here, the Kinect is actually detecting these bottles and this green color bottle here. Then we will also be pressing to select one color item, for example, green item here. I mean a blue item here. You can see the robot is also turning towards the object. And it will also pick it up and place it to a new location.
I'm sorry, the time is. Oh,
okay.
No, the time is up. You can finish in a quick time. Okay.
Okay. And it will actually behave similarly to the one we're using in the object detection model. And we also done for this test trial for these control mechanisms. And all of them, also 25 of them are successful with a success rate of 83%. And that will be all for my demonstration. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. And now it's time for Q&A section. Anyone who have the question can directly ask the demo group.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
So your robot arm, does it have a pressure sensor?
You mean for the gripper part?
Yeah, the grip.
There is actually a grip pressure sensor. If the object is not that wide in the dimension, it will not press against it too much.
So you have a feedback to control the pressure?
Not exactly. Because this manipulator is actually brought from the robotics company, which I think all of the functions are already programmed to control the gripper. So my part is mainly to develop a control functions for them to pick up different items using different mechanisms.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If there is no further question, we will invite the next group.